Hi students, how are you all of you? Dear student, here in this lesson we are going to understand the exercise of lesson number 1.5, a Kabaddi match. Dear student, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe it, like it and share it. So you will get the notification at the first, and always I am uploading new videos for you dear students to understand, to make you understand. Yes, see the explanation of this 1.5 or Kabaddi match already I have given it on our channel. Yes, you can see it. I'm giving you a link of this explanation in the description box. Yes, the pointers means the question and answers we are going to understand. Dear student, look at here. Question 1. Form pairs. Make a list of as many games as you can. See, here we have to make a list of the games, at least 25. Then classify the games using following criteria, and after that we have to classify those games, and they have given in the textbook. Dear student, you may have this textbook with you. This criteria we have to use. See, I have did it the same. First is that indoor and outdoor games. Yes. Second is that games played with and without any equipment. Third, games which have one to one matches and those in which teams play against each other, single player or team. Then fourth is games played mostly by children, games played by adults players. And 5, shape and size of the court or field. These all we are going to classify. See, I have made it for you. Let's go. Games. First one we have done it indoor and games and outdoor games. Indoor games are, dear student, playing cards, caroms. Outdoor are cycling and football. Yes, copy this in your notebook. It is your homework. And go to the next page. See, here the games are there. Played with equipments, played without equipments. See, hockey and badminton. For these games we need equipments. Kabaddi and Kho, we don't need any equipment for playing these two games. Yes. Now next is game single player and team. Which are the games we can play by single? Chess and the swimming. Yes. And in the team we have to play basketball, volleyball, Kabaddi, Kho. For that we need teams. Yes. Now next is games mainly played by kids, games mainly played by adults. Yes, see here it is given games mainly played by kids and the games those are played by adults. First is the kids they are playing is hide and seeks and dice. Yes, cards are played by adults. Chess is also played by adults. Now here games are given and the sizes shapes. Square shape ground boxing. Yes. Rectangular shape ground badminton. Badminton's ground is in rectangular shape. Boxing ground is in square shape. Cricket ground it is in the oval shape. And baseball's ground it is in the diamond shape. Understood? It is given, dear students, for you. You also have to do the same. Now question second is that read the descriptions of the Kabaddi match and do the following. Here we have to read the descriptions of the Kabaddi match and the same we have to do. Note down the names of the players and say whether each one belongs to 9th A or 9th B. Here we have to write the names of the students which are from 9th A and 9th B. Yes. From the textbook. Govind, Mangesh, Sohan, Vivek. These four are from 9th A. Suresh, Ravi, Mohan, Vivek, Ajinkya, Mihir. These are from 9th B. Understood? Now the second is describe in your own words the importance event in the first half. See what the students they are doing in the first half. I have written the little, but you can write it more also. Ninth A on the toss and sent their raider Govind. Here toss is there actually. See, toss and sent their raider Govind. He touched Suresh from 9B. A point was scored for 9th A. Mangesh from 9th A went for red. He successfully touched mid-line even he was held by 3 anti-raiders. Okay. Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya from 9B were declared out as they were touching Mangesh. It was done in the first half. Now let's see what was there. Next. See, okay. See dear student, here is the question 3. List all the words specially used in the games of Kabaddi. When we are playing the game, which are the words we are using mostly? Red, raider, anti-raider, successful raid, super raid, bonus point, all out, can't pursuit, do or die raid, tag, Lona. These are the words we are using here. Now the fourth one is that from the internet or their sources, find the other names by which Kabaddi is known in different parts of our country and the world. See, with the help of internet, we are going to write it here in which country the different names are given for the Kabaddi. In India, we say it Kabaddi. In Bangladesh, it say that Hadudu. Andhra Pradesh, Chedugudu. Tamil Nadu, Sadugudu, and Nepal, Kapardi. These are the words say in the different parts of the country in the world. Yes, this was the exercise which I have written it for you, dear student. You can see on the screen also. All the questions are here. See, these are the games I have divided how. Yes. Thank you.